Now this is an adventure I didn't expect. Oh, I'm not going to get through there. I don't think it's gonna. Oh, it seems to have blocked from there. Oh, we have to go back. I'll cut. I'll go the other direction.
This is my island in the sun.
Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to Englishman, welcome to Qawra. Just walking out to Qawra, we're heading towards Salina. Salina is where the mill, that's the word of the day, mill, salt. In the old days, 1600s, the knights built it. Salina, it's just here. It's got a bird reserve as well. There's restaurants along here, lovely walk. Walk along, go the front here, come up to the nature reserve. We'll have a little bit of a chat as we're going along. I still built up areas, have to put the mask on. Still people popping out from all over the place. These are like Maltese boat houses here. It's a nice place to come and stay down here. They made boat houses, lots of people here, but they made them into their homes. I'm with the new mic, the Rode Go wireless. Hope it's working all right. I'm messing around with the volume, so I'm going to pop down here. We're going to walk all along. We're coming up now to the nature reserve. Not sure if we're going to come across any birds. This is where they salt pans. Should be a way down from here, I think. Ah, yeah. Keep popping down and we keep walking along the coast. Already started appearing now. Oh, there is a lot of birds. Look at the birds over there, guys. They know where to keep away from people. We're going to walk all along the coast here. This is the nature reserve. Look at the birds, they're lovely. It's a bit uneven along here, but the GoPro should take that out. Wow, super. JDM Legend. What's this, a Toyota? It's a boy's toy. Oh, Honda. More boathouses, guys. You wouldn't see in the summer, you wouldn't walk past here. Full of people staying here for the summer. I'm still getting used to this. Volume seems... Oh. Volume went off. 1, 2. Oh, it goes like on standby. It goes on standby and you don't see it, because I saw my voice go down. I might cut it out, I might show you an experience I am. It's a lot better though. I can put it down, the camera, and I can walk back and the voice stays here. The only thing is this, I'm gonna have to do something because I'm a bit nervous about it falling off. They give you 2, but you can't get any more, that's the problem. So if you lose them, you're in trouble. You have to, up to you, to go and buy another one, another 200 quid. Lovely area though, yeah. This is the reserve. We'll be heading into the sort of countryside there. Many birds, look over there. I don't have a zoom, so can't quite see it. Comes rushing in the water here. Ooh, some black clouds, guys. Am I gonna get dumped on? wasn't like this morning. It was lovely. It was a little bit cloudy, but the sun was out. They seem to be coming in from the north, the clouds. Let's keep walking. We can take shelter anyway. Most of the birds are over this side, so we'll have to walk all the way around and see if we can find on the other side the bird reserve. There's plenty on that side. I thought it would be good fun walking this way first, walk around, because the road's only just here, so it's not a big walk. Very easy going. I'm not sure after this section here. I noticed it when we did a little video with Michelle before she went back. We did a video from here and I noticed this walk and I said to her, oh, this would be quite a nice walk to do this. I just saw the runner, so I haven't actually gone that way. So I don't know where we're gonna end up. I don't like those clouds very much though. What do you think about Instagram, guys? What about my singing? I've been singing Bowie songs. Been a bit of fun over there. I think it's a place you can't take too seriously because there's a lot of scammers come on. Hello handsome, want to chat with you. She's got, and see the profile, she's got 3 photographs with their boobs hanging out. You know it's a scammer straight away. Hello handsome, I mean come on. Get serious. Oh look, this is coming out the clouds. Look how nice they made it, this one. Home from home. All along here these were supposed to be boat houses, but it's a home now. They come in the summer mostly. Yeah, this is what I noticed. I think I came down here this way. We started a video from here. Then I noticed this walk. I saw them, a lot of dogs going this way. So let's try this. So really basically you walk along from the aquarium of Qawra, come down, follow down, and then just come along this. You can't get lost. And this is the nature reserve. Look at the birds there. They're safe over there. BirdLife Malta takes care of it, so if they're open we'll go and have a look if we can find anybody there. I thought they looked interesting here. I thought, let me have a look when I get a chance down here. And this is the ideal time now because everything is lovely and green. Birds are in there. Fishermen. Oh, there's a few coming because it's coming in the water from here. Oh, there's some ducks here. Few ducks. He's got a bad leg, this one. Oh, he fancies me. He's wagging his tail. Yeah, this is no shooting, thank goodness. Oh, it's a bit smelly, guys, because this is salt. Hope they don't bring this dog in. They let the dogs loose, which they shouldn't do. Should be on a lead. No hunting. Let's get a shot of that. And put it like an do you agree with this? No fishing. I'll pass there, I imagine, because he's fishing. No catching butterflies. I don't know what that, no boots. No picking the flowers. Hey, it's nice here. I'm just going to stop here for a minute. I want to check if the volume is okay. We'll come back in a second. I'll just take it off for a minute. It seems like it's went off, but I don't know. Come back in a minute. Yeah, we're doing good. I didn't want to do this whole video at no volume, but I might be stopped anyway because I can feel little water. They don't look like black clouds, but This is the ideal time to come. Maybe you get a bit of rain, but lovely. There's some ducks here. We're getting further in now, away from the road, so we'll come across some wildlife for sure. Watch out for the snakes, guys. Steve, behind you. It's a lovely walk. I never did this before. As I say, I was doing a video up there. We started a video before Michelle went back, and I said to her, hey, that looks interesting. You could do a bit of a walk over to Salina. They call it Salina, where the salt pits, Melch, where the knights built these in the 1600s. I'm watching my step, a bit uneven. Actually, you know, it's quite interesting. Probably the expats would know. Oh wow, look at all the birds here. Hey, this is better than Chadwick, you know. If I go a bit quiet. Yeah, I love it here. It's all secluded. Making plenty of noise. From Chadwick, further back from that, is Mosta. And the water runs down the valley through Chadwick, lakes, all the way down to here, to Salina. That's the flow of the water. You can see it if you come down the hill of Mosta. When you come down that very tight bend, you can see water flowing, especially winter time. Which way do we go? We can go up there, or we take the wrong turning. No idea. Might be this too good to go. We want to go near the water. Oh yeah, maybe this is probably they end up in the same direction anyway. There's the water here. We're really close to nature here anyway, so ooh, a little bit waterlogged here. What a lovely walk. This is an obstacle race. I should have took the other way. Oh, there's the water here. Oh wow, it's getting worse. I told you I always take the wrong one. We're going through the forest. And my bag don't help. Oh wow. Where's this going to end up? I had no idea, guys. I've never been this way before. Where it's going to end up. It's going to be a dead end, I think. I have to go back. Oh, we're right near the water. Look at the colour, how it changes. It's getting more concentrated. Now this is an adventure I didn't expect. Oh, I'm not going to get through there. I don't think it's gonna. Oh, it seems to have blocked from there. Oh, we have to go back. I'll cut. I'll go the other direction. Even if I get through here, I don't see any path from the other side. Let's continue in these brambles. Mistake. That seems like it was going towards the water. We don't really want that. Let's go the other way. So don't take the left, guys. Take the right. Oh, there's a path there. Should I have been on that? I didn't even notice it. Where's that go? Also, find that path, guys. That's interesting, eh? Hey, should we go on this? Might be easier. Yep. Oh, it goes roughly the same way. That's nice. So this comes down from Qawra, up from the road. I never saw where it beginning, so it's from the road. This is a lot easier, eh? That was a difficult walk, that one. Yeah, even if I'd have gone on to about those 6 or 7 bushes, there was nothing the other side of it. That's an adventure anyway, guys. Oh, that's the end of this. No hunting. Please do not pick the flowers. I haven't seen any flowers yet. So we're at the back of Qawra, guys. We're still going along. That's the way going up La Ommu. We go that direction. Remember that video we did? That crazy hill. We're at this is Salina Park, and Kennedy Grove is over this direction. There's 2 lovely parks. They were just waste area in the old days, and they've put picnic tables and kids playing area, all sorts of things. You can see coming up this kids playing area here. You can hear the kids. Dilemma number 2. Do we follow this path down? Looks interesting. This way goes to the road, I'm sure. There's the kids playing area. Oh yeah, there's a bit of a path here to the Nature Reserve. The water's filtering down here. Look into the salt pans. Over here, guys, I'm not going to do it today, but over here is Kennedy Grove. It's a lovely area with the kids. Come and walk around. Pretty plain, back to nature. I saw a vlog from somebody who said, how boring Maltese nature trail. What did he expect? Oh, this is gonna finish here. That's the problem when you've come for the first time. Oh. You don't know where there's pathways to where or whatever. Yeah, this is a dead end as well. We can have a quick look here. There's nothing going that way. We want to head over this direction here. Oh, there is some buses, so they go to this nature reserve. That's where we're heading, guys. Oh, that twig hit me right in the ear. Crazy muppet. Oh, whack. I'm staying without the mask in these quiet areas. I've not even come across anybody yet. As soon as I come across anybody, I'll put the... It's craziness. Blandifs. Without breath, guys, with these masks. Now we've got more restrictions. I heard it just on the car radio coming over here. I only heard bits of it, and if I heard it right, it's closing down takeaways and restaurants from 11 o'clock. I thought I heard, but I'll keep you updated what it's doing. We had another 195 I think today, infection rate. I don't know, I don't really, it's a bit boring for me. I don't keep up to date with them. Shall I walk along here? But I will go through the park, I think. Put the mask on. There's a path here, so surely we're going to end up Over there's Kennedy Grove. This should be Salina Park. Some kids swings and all sorts there. Might have walked into Kennedy Grove because Salina Park is there. Maybe this is Kennedy Grove. Since they did it, I haven't really had a mooch around. Might have to change the battery soon, because I did the foodie one before here in Burmarrad Square. Oh look, there's a memorial thing there. Fountain here. This is Kennedy Grove, I think. Salina Park is more down there. Here's the main road here. Gonna get a bit noisy, guys. I'll cut it for a bit and get round the bay there, because I'm gonna have to put the mask on as well. So, oh, look at this! Look at this sky. I'll cut for a minute, guys. Bit windy this side, guys. We walked all the way around here. We were over there. Remember those stones we walked? That guy that was fishing. I think that's where it was there. Very busy road. This is the road of the coast road that the British built to move armoured vehicles along the coast from Pembroke over to St Paul's Bay. Was made originally from concrete in the 1800s. Oh, this is what we're looking for. Salina Centre. Visitor Centre. Let's go and see if they're open. Said till about 4 o'clock, so it's 3 now. Looks like it's all closed. Never mind. We're on Google. It said it was open. Sometimes go back and see that video, guys. This water turns like a oxygen colour in the summertime. Not sure where the visitor centre is. Maybe here. Oh, along here. Let's have a quick look here first. We'll go. Oh, it's open. Yeah, it's open. Ah, that's a nice big building. Yeah, that's quite new, I think. There's the cross from the Knights, 1600s. Don't ask me which knight it was, I'll put it underneath. Another obscure name. That's where we walked from, guys, over here. Walked right around the bay. We're going to go in the visitor centre in a minute, have a look. Look at the flowers and the bees. Oh, one of these guys, Asmetalat, like a snake it is with legs. Ashmetalat, I think that's how you pronounce it. It gave me a scare once. I stuck my spade in the ground when I had the house, and both sides started moving. I didn't know he was down there because I wouldn't have cut him in half, but I gave him a good cut and he went in different directions. Wow, look at that, guys, how beautiful. Shame the weather isn't that it's that dynamic though, the weather like this. Hey, it's a bit different. Let's go in the center. As I say, this is the runoff, the salt pans, Dalmel. We're gonna put the mask on, maybe the little thing, sanitize. Here we are, look, Salina Nature Park. A haven for wildlife. There's not many today. I was looking there. Normally sometimes you see stalks there. Oh, a bit dark in here. Oh, dark. Hello, how are you? Thank you.
Please feel free to look around. We've also got an upstairs.
Okay, I'm doing video for YouTube. I walked around the bay from Qawra
Oh, very nice.
to show them about this. This is quite new. I never noticed it before. It's been. I don't get this way very often though. It's over this way.
Okay. It's been here a few years. I think they built these back in like 2015, something like
Not
that.
many birds out today. Only on the other side there is.
There were quite a few gulls this morning, like
Yeah.
a couple of thousand, but
It's lovely though. And yeah, I drove past, but I never noticed this. Yeah, I'll have a look upstairs.
yeah, feel
Thank
free.
you.
It's also a very nice view of the outside.
Yeah, I had a look. I went round with the camera that way. Have a look there. Yeah, it's nice. I thought maybe you could go out on the pans, but you can't.
No,
Danger.
no, unfortunately, because
No.
if there are any birds, obviously.
Yeah, you scare them. Eh? Thank you. I'll have a look around there. The GoPro is not picking up a lot, and the lights are very dim. Well, there's no lights at all. Bird watching gallery. Oh, so there's something here as well. Let's go out and have a look, see if we can. Down there's the area. These I saw them was one. There's a big problem because somebody shot one of these. He got in really serious problems. They managed to survive though, and let's have a look outside. Oh, look at the colour of the water. See the cross over there? Look at the colour, guys, like it's the water evaporates mostly in the summer, leaves the salt behind. There's no demonstration really about it. I thought it said you could get out by the salt pans, but you can't. I thought that maybe we could do a little walk along. But then it goes out this way. Goes all the way to St. Julian's, that direction. The old coast road. Let's put this up for them here because it was jamming the door for them. Ooh, cold today. Did he fall down? Yeah, it's nice up here. Put a few. Let's go and have a look at the screens. They put them on for us down there. This is the visitor centre thing, guys. Salina Visitor Centre. You can use the lift as well as a lift. You go up by the stairs. See where they migrate from there, it tells you here. Salt pans around the coast. Oh yeah, this one sadly bye-bye. But the salt pans, you can see these here. In Gozo. What did they say they found here? Well, this is the salt they're making. Different salt. Thank you. You have some donation?
Oh yes, the donation box is just over here.
This one is full. Okay, here it is. Okay, put some in.
And if you want, we've got a survey on the tablet if you'd like to fill it
Okay.
in.
Oh, here's the surf. Okay. Okay. I'll have a look.
Thank you, we'd
Thanks.
appreciate that.
No problem. I'm a resident. Oh, that's not me. Only one person.
Yeah.
It's my first time. I was passing by. Oh, I looked at the website. Oh, okay, done. No name and address, thank you. I'm not going to give. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you
Bye.
very much.
Bye.
Have a good day.
And you.
Bye.
Bye. Just a survey, they wanted a lot of information to send you the email and telephone number, blah 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 blah. Ooh, we're back on the main road here, guys. This is a lovely area here. Let's have a look down here, guys, see what this is, and before we finish. As I said, I've been one time and it was like a turquoise colour here. There's the bird watching hides here, but there's no birds to watch. Do not pick the flowers. Here's most of it draining out here. Okay guys, let's leave it there. Let's get off before the rain comes. Looks pretty daunting. I've got to go all the way around there. Take care guys, first video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share if you can, and subscribe. Come over to live, 1300 hours every Sunday. What else have you got to do? Keep watching the videos. Bye guys, take care.
Englishman from Malta, and I will show you all the signs. So please subscribe to my channel and give me lots of likes.